Some of you have seen me behind the scenes, some of you have not. I'm Mitchell. I'm doing the filming now for Cody's YouTube channel. So we're gonna try a little bit different style here. So I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit of this stuff, so just in case while he's working, I can try to explain something, or if there is something that I need him to explain, then I can switch it to Cody so we know exactly what's going on, so we can kind of get a little bit more detail right now. So sorry you gotta deal with my ugly mug for a little bit. If it's really that bad, we'll switch it out, but hopefully this will be a little bit more clarity for what we're doing in the future. You can kind of see more of the stuff in the back of the shop, Tim's welding stuff, so I'll maybe get a little sneak peek there, but I think Cody's got a lot to do with this Camaro. So let's see what he's up to right now.
Hey guys, so got this, I've kind of been calling it the mullet, but it's some kind of 80s Camaro. It's got customer claims 1600 horsepower at the flywheel. It's a Hendrix small block NASCAR engine, but built for a lot of nitrous. Customer said there's 3 stages of 500 horse or 500 shot each. I'm a nitrous moron, so I don't know. But we did build headers, which has been about a 4-day process. We'll get it up in the area and take a peek underneath, but a lot of work in the headers. So to wrap this job up, I have to connect the torque plate down there to the subframe. So gotta pop this off and drill some holes and do some welding. Tim, what was your dad joke? The washers? Ah. So I'm using a bolt to center the washer, and I'm doing a tube. What do I call it? A tube? I don't know. Tube joint. Thank you. Ew.
These are one of those situations where you don't want to look into the light. So every time you're about to die and they say, go to the light, it's fine. Don't go to this light. Not a good thing.
When you smell pork rinds, that's your skin burning.
Yeah, let's not try to do that. Okay, so what do you have going on now?
Right now I've got the 2 joints done and bolted onto the torque plate. So now I'm going to connect them to the subframe. Here it is.
He's gonna take the brace off, then he's gonna finish welding, and then he should be all good to go. Oh yeah, Tim's got an announcement. Hold on. All right, Tim.
I got a new job. Not this job's bad or anything, but I got an offer to go back to Ohio. That's where I went to school. I went to Ohio State And so I got an offer to go back for a place that I interned with in like Eastern Columbus. So I'll be down there for a while. I leave Friday, and today is Tuesday. Is today Tuesday?
Yes.
Yeah, today's Tuesday.
I'm losing my days too.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm packing right now, and I'm done on Thursday. This is my last day here.
Well, on a for real note, dude, like, I'm super happy for you. So I know it's going to be something that is going to help you progress and do what you want to do.
Yeah.
And you can't pass up opportunities when they come like that. So
that's what I did with here. Cody put out an ad, and boom, I was here.
He's just over there chilling.
Wowed in.
Over sticking
Yeah, he's actually doing work. I'm just here, you know, babbling.
Whoa, it's hot.
But yes. Super sad to see you go, man. I know, especially since I've only been here for like a little bit, and I know Cody is obviously gonna miss you a lot, and you know you did a lot of great work here, but
Cody fired me. No, he didn't fire me.
I was about to say, clickbait, Cody fired Tim.
There you go. Cody fired Tim's like, oh no, sad face.
So they're really big into like mountain biking, and so Cody wanted to find out if Crystal was open to see if they could go kind of have like one last night hurrah and go mountain biking, because they're really into it. I don't know jack squat about it, but hopefully they can have some fun before Tim leaves.
That's right. You got a really good job offer. I'm happy for him. So
Tim was just telling me, so Can-Am, like I said, Cody was just on the phone with the guys from RPS. Whoops, sorry. He was on the phone with the guys from RPS, so those are going to get a full set of RPS carbon brakes, just like the BC, just like the Enviate, so that is going to be pretty cool. Can't wait to see that. Finally, sorry, I know it's a little bright. We've got Beastie, might be going back in, the Repu's back in, the Camaro's coming down, and something else is going in. So let's see what that's going to be.
So the next project is a STAUDACHER. There are 6 in existence. A motorcycle powered car. They weigh about 750 pounds, so very, very lightweight. They do have complete aero bodies, which is not present on this, just because of what I'm doing, which is building a stroker header. The stock headers are not really lasting, they're falling apart. I assume because of the extreme heat of the larger engine.
So this will be interesting, because I think you told me, let me flip this around while Cody's dealing with that. Well, there we go. I think he told me it holds the record at M1.
Yeah, this car does, and then also at Waterford Raceway.
That's nuts.
And that's the overall record.
Like complete, like no class, no nothing.
Yep, overall record.
He's putting it down. Let's see what it's about. So this is it.
Most people that follow me, they know I'm into aero. And you can see right away, huge tunnel. The whole back of the car is a tunnel.
My apologies, people. Just trying to deal with the variable ND and making sure it's not too bright or too dark.
So,
that's crazy.
this thing makes well over the weight of the car downforce at 100 miles an hour. So it makes a lot of downforce.
Oh yeah. Now we're talking. So now you guys can kind of see it a lot better than when it was in the trailer. More aero stuff. Tunnel. And away she rolls. Cody was telling me that this, with a driver, is under 1,000 pounds.
Watch this. built. This is a
That's crazy.
built for serious stuff. So
This is cool to see.
super heavy. Exactly the polar opposites.
Right? Yeah, you got quite a big one here. I mean, I know that that's still stripped down too, but Staudacher is in. Now, how to get it up on the lift.
Yeah, we have to figure that out. I don't know. Won't be enough time. Okay. Definitely 2 F4s.
Boom.
I think it was from that.
It fits.
A few moments later.
Okay, Staudacher is in. Camaro is out. He just came and picked it up. So that's basically gonna do it for today, but let's see what we have to do for the Staudacher to get it up on the lift.
So I think I'm going to do a board across the bottom and the back, and then have the lift grab the board, which I'll capture that with a GoPro.
He'll capture that with the GoPro and help me because
Gotta go.
I gotta go and this thing's sitting pretty low. So it'll be fun to see everything. Oh geez, let's fix that. It'll be fun to see everything once it's done. Again, this will be interesting. Let's see what this thing's gonna sound like once he's done with it, because I'm excited to hear it. So we will see you later.